Imagine you're managing a marketing campaign for a new product launch. You've got a team of content creators, designers, and social media managers all working together, and you need a way to keep track of everything. For example, tasks, deadlines, who's responsible for what, and instead of relying on endless email threads or chaotic spreadsheet, you decide to use Monday.com, a powerful project management tool that helps you stay organized and ensures smooth collaboration. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create a project from scratch in Monday.com. Just like if you are setting up that marketing campaign, whether you are new to the platform or looking to maintain your workflow, this tutorial will show you step by step how to set up a board, organize your tasks, and track everything in one place. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ajita from KnowHow Academy. I welcome you to this tutorial on how to create a project in Monday.com. Today, we are diving into one of the most powerful project management tool out there, that is Monday.com. Before starting this video, we're going to check out what we are going to learn in this video. First up is what is Monday.com. Second, why we use Monday.com, then features and interface of Monday.com, and how to create a dashboard for project. Let's start. Well, Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that helps team plan, track, and collaborate on projects all in one place. It's an intuitive platform that maintains workflow, making project management, task tracking, and team collaboration much easier. You can organize everything visually using customizable boards to suit your team's need, whether you're managing task, project, or even workflow. Now, why we use Monday.com? There are few key reasons because of it, which include flexibility, collaboration, where it helps team work together efficiently with real-time updates, share tasks and comments all in one place. Then it also offers automation, as it lets you do the repetitive task in one go, saving your time and reducing errors. It offers integration with various tools such as Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, keeping everything in sync. So if you're managing multiple projects and need to maintain communication, Monday.com is definitely a game changer. So first things first, let's head over to Monday.com and log into our account. So as you can see, I've already logged into my account. It is very simple process. You just need to go on Google and write down Monday.com, and this is what you'll see. Since I'm already logged in, so I'm getting this interface. So these are the things you get, and I've already done 3 of the projects, which are named as marketing campaign, dashboard reporting, and project management. So this is what is in my recently visited as well as in my workspace. Now let's check out some features and interface of Monday.com. So this is the interface, where you get this sidebar where you can access to all the workspace and all the projects you have done till now. Then you can go for my work, basically what you have made, what are your favorites, and basically the homepage. So if you just check it out here, you can there are various options available in your workspace, which is either project, then portfolio, then boards, document, dashboard, and many more. And if you just go for a quick search, so you can also search from here whatever you are needing from your workspace or whatever you will need in your docs. Here, these are the projects where you can also check out the marketplace, template center, explore products, work management. And if you go on your profile, you can here import data, do the automations, go to developer mode, then administration as well. And it suggests an option of upgrade. Since my account is a free one, so we can even upgrade from here. After using it for some time, maybe you think this is the one which you need for your project, so you can just check it out. Now moving forward, today we are going to make a board. So if we just simply check out the board, you get an option of new board and start with 10. So since we are starting from the scratch, so we'll be starting off with a new board. So you just click on new board, and this is where you get it. So since we are going for a project which will be regarding social media and marketing. So we'll be naming it as marketing and social media project. Okay, so it gives you option of either you want to keep it as main, which is visible to everyone on your account, to private, which you can just share with selected team members, or shareable, where you can just share it privately. So for me it will be main, and then you can even select why you're going to use this board, either for items, campaigns, creatives, or whatever sort of needs you have. So we are going to use it for tasks, basically to assign and check the due dates. So if you just click on OK, then you will be moving forward to a page which looks like this. So this is a project, and from here you can add even new tasks, or it will give you like two set of groups. So from here you can just rename. First group will be your marketing, and the second one will be social media. So once you are done, you can now select for items. So items is basically what are the tasks you're going to assign to a person. So in marketing, maybe you can go for the platforms or a ways in which you're going to do it. So first up, let's go for digital platforms. Then second, via ads, and third, person to person. So these are the three basic types of marketing which we will be doing. So these are just set, and then so here you can assign it to particular person. For example, you select on this. So by default, since I am the one only here, so my name is over here. Then if you just want to add any person, you can write on their email, give them a invite, and they can just get assigned to this. Then via ads, again you can add a person. For example, I'm adding myself for now. Then in social media, let's just add few tasks, which is Instagram, LinkedIn, and now add, for example, you're adding one more task, so you can just go here and add Facebook. So now you have added the social media as well. So these are the few things where you can just add on to your task and assign to a person. Now next up is status. So when you're working on it, you can edit the labels. For example, currently somebody is working on digital platforms, they can go for working on it. Via ads, stuck somewhere, you can give here, you can write a comment over here. Then person to person, done. So you can just select it. So it gives you a color labels where you can just go on with it and check out on what status it is. Then next up, you can even add more columns. For example, you want to add timeline. So you just select out the column, and here you can set the date by which you need this task. For example, you need it by 5th of Feb, which is 2 days after, and you can just select the date. So the start date of it is 3, which is today, and then you're going to complete it by 5. So this is the timeline that you're providing the person, that you just need the task according to this timeline. Then we also have option of tags, numbers, date, people. Then either it is priority. So if you just go on for priority, so this is the column. If you check for priority, and you can just give the amount of priority this task holds. For example, it is very critical, you can select this. If not critical, it is just low priority, go for low. If you want it to be done on time but not that much of priority, go for medium. Or according to your task, you can just go on for these options. And even you can just add on a new group. For example, you need one more set of people for a task, then you can just go for this and check it out. So these are the few ways that you can add a person, add a new column, add a new task, assign it to someone, set the deadline, or even set the timeline. Now if we check out few more options, it provides you with the integrate option. So if we explore few more options, you can just go for search, where you can just search it by your board or by different things. For example, you need for a specific person, a specific task, just search it over here. Then if you want to filter out data, for example, top 3 group which you have marked as top. Then for what group you need, you can just, for example, I am selecting just marketing, so it will show me just marketing on the board. And if I just remove it, then again the whole board is visible for me. Now for example, I want to sort the data, so by which column I need it by person, so in which order, then I need it by descending order. So all these options are given to you. If you have some privacy issues, you want to show the data but still not the whole one, then you can hide few options. For example, you want to hide the persons, so you can just check out the person option and your task will be shown without the person in the board. Now if you want to group by, you can just always select the columns, for example status, and then on which order, so A to Z, then you'll get this on your particular board. So there you have it, a simple yet effective project board for managing your tasks and keeping your time on track. See, in this video we have just checked out the option that Monday.com has to offer for a simple board where you can filter out things, group things, and also check out data, then hide the sensitive data, and just do all the things on one board. So whether you're managing a marketing campaign, product launch, or any other project, Monday.com offers a flexible space to keep everything in track. Before ending this video, let us quickly check what we have learned in this video. In this video, we have learned about what is Monday.com, why we use Monday.com, features and interface of Monday.com, and how to create a project board in Monday.com. Remember, this is just the basics. Once you get comfortable with Monday.com, you'll discover even more advanced features like integration, automation, and dashboards. But for now, this tutorial should give you everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful or have any question, drop them in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer them, and do check out our YouTube channel KnowHow Academy for more such videos.